comes the apple pie maker. Thanks for the follow, Tuesday. Great. Come in here, Grandma. I told them all about Grandma's apple pies. Des, my darling. Oh, that thing's back.
It's me.
It's got to be you.
I don't know.
Celebrity Squares, it only comes on when you come on. So you're going to come and do an apple pie with us?
I am coming to do an apple pie.
Well, okay, you pack the groceries away,
yeah,
and then you come in.
Because she needs to sit for a bit.
Yeah, so. But I've got to peel the apples too.
Yeah, you do.
I do, because that's my contribution.
Yeah.
Yeah, I contribute twice. I peel the apples and I eat the pie.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, there you go. Now, I'll put the rest of that on the floor. Now I'm going to hand you over to Grandma, and she's going to make the authentic Grandma apple pie, because that's part of the deal too. And she's got her own channel too, Crafty Old Women. And that's part of the deal. If I'm allowed to stream in the house, I've got to plug her channel. So if she takes too long, you let me know and I'll come in and hijack. Do you need the plane for anything?
No.
You're pretty right for that? All right then. Would you like a microphone?
That might help.
I'll stick a microphone on you. Here you go. There you go. I've got to find it first. Here you go. What's happening? Oh, look at that. Here you go. Whack there. You got any pockets? You do. And you can make your own arrangements. Oh! Oh, I'm not allowed to do that. You get shot on quick.
I had somebody the other day when...
Don't even go there. Well, I tell you what, there's some people that have weird taste, don't
they? They certainly do.
They like IRL.
Yep.
Okay, you don't need the plate, you don't need that.
No.
Right,
And you know why he vacuumed? So it was when I leave flour on here, I get into trouble, not him.
Do you know the other reason I vacuumed? Because the last time she made apple pie, she thought she put cinnamon in it, but she put cayenne pepper in it instead, and I reckon that cedar dust looked very much the same as cinnamon, so there would have been a chance I would have got cedar in there. But I've got to tell you, I reckon cedar would taste better than that cayenne pepper rubbish. Yeah, I'll be back in a second.
You go and do that, darling, and okay. Now, for this, we need 240 grams or 8.5 ounces of plain flour. I was going to measure it out in the kitchen, and I thought, no, I won't. I'll do it all authentically here. So 240 grams. There we go, that's that. So we put that in there. 60 grams of caster sugar, or 2 ounces. On top of that is 1 egg. And I'm not going to crack it with the chisel or anything like that, unlike Super Grub. And 5 ounces or 150 grams of butter, preferably soft butter. 150 grams.
It was very quiet in here. What's going on?
There we go, 150 grams of butter.
I love the way Bob won't get on the bed when you're there.
He knows, doesn't he?
He does.
Okay.
Let me get a drink of water.
Okay. So that's basically all there is to the pastry. Pastry. Pastry, yes. Okay.
Into electrocution lessons.
Maybe. So that's it, and mix it up. So simple. It's called Old English or Grandma's apple pie. Then when that's finished, we've got to put it in plastic wrap or glad wrap, whatever you like to call it, for half an hour in the fridge. I'll just make sure that's all mixed in. Yep, looks pretty darn good. I did wash my hands. So I'll give that another little bit of a mix up. This can be done by hand too if you want. Okay. So that's the apple pie, or that's the pastry. Steve will be here in a minute to do the apples. If he doesn't come back, I'll do them myself. And I'll take the glory off him. So, no, where's our camera? There we are. That's what the pastry looks like. It's nice and soft.
Oh, you tell me,
and squishy.
You should have been wearing your eye muffs. Look at that. Look.
Oh, look, I'm
got
right.
a special pair of eye muffs.
Special pair of eye muffs.
Just for you.
Okay, darling. Well, I'm
there
finished.
There you go. You like that?
I'm finished it.
Doesn't matter. It's retrospective healing.
Oh, okay.
You put it on now for 5 minutes.
Okay.
And it'll replace any.
Are you ready to do the apples?
I am.